going to show you how to assemble a large decorative bow from Amazon. It's made up of a stack of these pieces of large ribbon, and they're about 18 inches long and about 4 inches wide. And you find the two pieces of thin ribbon that are between the top two pieces of the large ribbon, and they tell you to pull those. It's actually easier to pull them up and hold it up into the air. And you see as you pull them that the two pieces of large ribbon curl. And then you keep doing that. You pull it up again, and the next two pieces of large ribbon curl, and you start to get these pairs of curled ribbon, many of them. So you're going to have about 25 or 30 pairs of those. I didn't count the exact number. And you just keep pulling them up. Sometimes it helps to hold your one hand between the two pieces of ribbon so they curl outward, they don't get curled together. And you just keep going and going. It helps to hold them up in the air and shake them once in a while. You don't want to pull too hard because that will make it break the small ribbon. And you just keep doing that, and you can see it's getting larger and larger as I pull it up. And when you get to the last one, you'll see me do here in a second, you'll want to shake it out and get them all fluffed together and straighten them out a little bit and then pull it down as tight as you can and then tie off the two thin ribbons so it won't become loose. And the other two thin ribbons are really quite long, that you could tie them around a large package to hold this ribbon in place. You can see that's what I'm doing there. Those are quite long. They're probably at least 10 feet long, maybe longer. I didn't measure them actually. But there you go. It's pretty neat. You'll see here in a second what the finished bow looks like when you fluff it up a little bit more and tie it off tight. There it is. And you can see compared to a height of a piece of paper, so it's a good 12 inches or so wide and quite tall with the two other ribbons coming down. Pretty easy to do and not bad for the price.